Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Aries. We are picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, guys, I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested to watch that, you can go for that, guys. So, that reading will follow this general energy. So, this is the card for your relationship, and this is the card for your career situation. So, first, I will start with your general energy cards. So, we have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Cups in reverse, and the World. So today in your situation, Aries, in your situation, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. You are making great efforts, you have a strong will, determination, and you are working with that dedication and devotion. But there are some things that are not right, you may feel in your heart of hearts. So it may be people or it may be your circumstance. You may feel that you cannot trust them. So something which you trusted, maybe it may be a person or it may be some kind of regarding your work, it may be some kind of a project or some path that you have chosen for yourself. So you would have expected something, but today what you're getting is not what you were expecting. So some kind of difficulties, worries because of that, and you have maybe whatever your situation is today, guys, Aries, you are seeing troubles in your career and in your personal life, maybe for some of you. But no matter what your situation is, you are truthful to your heart. So you have done your best and you have that acceptance. You have put in your maximum efforts and you have worked with that devotion, worked with that 100% concentration. So you have that acceptance in your heart. So no matter what your situation is, guys, Aries, you have happiness, peace of mind, and you are finding that balance and serenity today, guys. So your situation may not be up to your expectation, but you have happiness and peace of mind because you are truthful to your heart, Aries. So whatever you feel right and the words you speak and the actions, it speaks your truth. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys. For your relationship, we have the Tower. So some kind of changes are happening in your connection, guys. Maybe whatever illusion that you had about this connection, about this person, all that is breaking up for you. So you are seeing the truth, maybe they are revealing the truth, and you are seeing what they are. So no more illusions today, only the truth. So maybe when you see the truth for the first time, you will be shocked. So that may be the energy here. So you are you know with clarity what this person is thinking, or they know with clarity what you are thinking in your heart of hearts. So you have that sudden change in your situation, guys, that has come up taken you by surprise, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Queen of Swords. So with this card for your career situation, guys, Aries, you are that honest person. You have clear knowledge and you're working with clarity and you're putting in your efforts. That concentration is there in your career situation. So that may be the reason that things are going smoothly in your career situation, guys. Maybe if you are seeing troubles, your situation will resolve very soon, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you are interested to watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading, stay tuned for that. That is coming up right now, guys. Aries, for your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So, today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So, you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful, and protective. So this may be your story, guys. So you help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination. And maybe people around you, it may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you, it may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they and have that what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So you are courageous, you have that willpower, strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.